The USB type humidifier introduction. It got one humidifier, one USB cord, two cotton filters, this one for backup, one user manual. Hold the product. Twist the upper body to the right to open it. Drop water in water tank. About 80%. Less than the transparent ring, or it will leak. Pull out the tube. Soak the filter in water, so the atomizer can detect water fast. Tips. A spring here. Don't miss it. You can add 3 to 5 essential oils. Please be aware more essential oils will not make it smell stronger. On the contrary, will corrode the device. The USB cord. 1 meter length. Humidifier powered by phone charger or computer USB port. Now let's take a look the color changing LED lighting and spray.